Welcome back, motherfuckers. So long story short, I can't got a fucking camera like that to be fucking holding my shit and taking it off. So I wanted to show you the before. There's the stock exhaust. One bowl is right here. One bowl is in the middle right there. And then one exactly to the top of the head right there. Boom, sick with it. That's the original stock. I can show you what the fuck we fucking around with now. Sheesh. I'm telling you. Give you guys a fucking quick update, and I'll show you right after when that bitch is installed. Let's do it. Sick with it. Oh man, zoomy. Those bolts are right there. Back to the original, same original bolts. Sheesh. Oh man, I tell you, bitch, looking right. Oh man. It's way better than the stock. Look at that shit. How could I forget?